Hello everyone, my name is Mutya Yuliani Anuar with my study number 06011282328023. I will explain about my difficulties in learning grammar and how I overcome that difficulties. First of all, I will explain Skill 46. Skill 46. Use basic adjectives and adverbs correctly. Using adjectives and adverbs correctly is often difficult due to the variety of forms and uses of these words in sentences. Their position in the sentence can change the meaning significantly. For example, she sings beautifully and she beautifully sings have different meanings even though both sentences use the same words. The similarity in form between adjectives and adverbs in some languages also adds to the complexity, as it makes it difficult to differentiate based on context. Understanding the nuances of meaning that adjectives and adverbs carry requires deep understanding and considerable practice. To overcome this difficulty, it is important to read a lot of different types of texts and practice writing and speaking using adjectives and adverbs. For example, by reading novels or articles, we can see examples of using adjectives and adverbs in different contexts. Reviewing and correcting mistakes, as well as using language learning apps, can also help. For example, using apps like Duolingo or Grammarly for practice. Practice speaking with native speakers, where possible, provides insight into proper usage in everyday contexts. With the right approach and consistent practice, using adjectives and adverbs correctly will become easier and more natural. Now, let's move on to the next skill. Skill 48. Position adjectives and adverbs correctly. Positioning adjectives and adverbs correctly is an important skill in writing and speaking that helps clarify meaning and enrich sentences. One of the main challenges in positioning adjectives and adverbs is understanding the grammatical rules that often vary between different languages, as well as the nuances that changing the position of these words brings. For example, in the sentence, he quickly finished his homework, the adverb quickly puts the focus on the way he finished his homework, whereas in he finished his homework quickly, the focus is more on the speed of completing the homework. To overcome this difficulty, constant practice is key. Reading different types of texts will help understand how adjectives and adverbs are used in different contexts. Practicing writing and asking for feedback is also very useful. Using language learning apps or tools can provide additional practice and help correct mistakes. By understanding and practicing these rules, the correct use of adjectives and adverbs will become more natural and effective in everyday communication. Last but not least, Skill 60. Distinguish other, another, and others. Differentiating the use of other, another, and others can be challenging due to the different contexts of use. Here's an explanation. 1. Other, used as an adjective to indicate something different from what is already mentioned. Example, I have other plans. 2. Another, a combination of and plus other, which is used as an adjective to show an addition or replacement of one other thing. Example, can I have another piece of cake? 3. Others, the plural form of other, which is used as a pronoun to show more than one different thing. Example, some people like chocolate, while others prefer vanilla. For convenience, remember that another is only used with singular nouns, others is used as a plural pronoun, and other can be used with singular or plural nouns but always as an adjective. Contextual exercises with these sentences can help strengthen your understanding and usage. Well, I think that's all the skills that I find difficult and how I overcome them. Maybe that's all I can explain. Thank you, and stay healthy, everyone.